Hello and welcome back everybody, my name is Lex and welcome to the channel. So in today's video we're going to proceed with a next step in this. So we're going to take one of our listings that we've done and we're going to push it to the store. Now this might be a long process, so I might break it up into two segments, two videos. We'll see as I go through this and make a judgment call. If it's over like 20 minutes, I think that might be a little too long, so we'll break it down. I learned of some new things here real quick, and I also want to say, if you're new to the channel, I'm gonna go ahead and link a playlist up above that will give a overview of what I'm trying to do here with my print on demand store. And if you're new to print on demand and Etsy and Printful, I do have videos in there that walk you through how to set up your store and some useful videos. Now I want to touch on that real quick because I found out that this particular one, Insight Factory, while it is great, I thought it was free for at least some features, which it kind of looks like, but then they want you to pay because, as you can see, your free trial has ended just as I was getting started to use this for an actual listing. I was doing some testing to see what I could see, and they used up all my things. Now it is pricey as a mother. Let's go over this real quick before we hop in. So you can start her $20 a month. That's a lot, man. $20. Don't you guys have like a discount? So I guess we're gonna go somewhat old school as well, so you guys will be seeing that as well when we get to that point. I just wanted to fill you in there real quick. So let's go ahead and get started with the listing. We'll come to that when we cross that bridge. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started making a t-shirt. Now we don't have anything here, that's fine. You can go to add listing if you want and do it that way, but we're gonna go to our drafts since we already made the drafts, and we're gonna click on this particular one. We're gonna go with, actually we're gonna duplicate, we're gonna copy because we don't want to touch that one, and we'll leave that there. Sorry baby boy, we gotta get rid of the baby boy and put a new shirt in there. So this is the one we're doing. So we're gonna put this on youth and adult shirts. I kind of wanted to put this on tank tops as well. We'll probably do that afterwards too. So we're gonna start here. So you take a copy of whatever template you have. Normally I have youth and adult, tanks for male and female, and then hoodies and sweatshirts, and you copy that and you put it over, and that'll be the new one. So we're gonna leave it here. Everything's pretty much done for the most part. We'll research our title later. Okay, tags also we're gonna come to with the research and stuff like that. Let me just make sure everything else is good. After reviewing it, my friends, I think we can get rid of extra small. I don't think they have extra small, so we gotta update this, edit variations, and get rid of extra small, update. Okay, and then we'll update the pricing to 24. No, 23.99. That's the psychology, my friends. That's the psychology coming in. It's been a while, so I think we publish copy. Maybe? No, I don't think so. Stores. Forgot how we do this. So we're learning together. You're supposed to go to like view store, and it should have your drafts somewhere saved, and then you just hit refresh and it'll populate. So maybe I do have to publish. Yes, okay, there we go. Alrighty friends, so we learned what happened. So if you're encountering the problem that I've been having, you go to Printful, you go to settings, and you go to orders, and you sync as you go. You need to check this box. That way it takes from the stuff you make on Etsy will go to Printful, and that's what we want. Okay, so now we can really get back to what we were supposed to be doing. So this is going to be a two-parter video. This is troubleshooting. Okay, and then we come here, and you see how it says 20 shirts. Let's go ahead and edit this. See how it has 20? It's because it made a size and a color for each. It made a color for each size. So see how we have XXX, white, navy, gray, black, white, and this is a t-shirt, right? Actually, I can't even tell now if they're adult or child. So that's a problem too. That's something we gotta look at. Guys, I did this completely wrong. This, I forgot. I forgot when I was making this. I needed to go back and redo it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so this is why we want a custom name on size, because we do it like this. Okay, it's supposed to be like this: adult, small, right? If you're gonna have multiple things in there, you have to, you know, divide them up. So it's adult small, adult medium. This is for the adult shirts. And then when I do the youth, obviously it's gonna say youth small, youth medium, right? Makes sense. So I screwed up the first time, or when I was making this template, I didn't fully complete, or probably even, yeah, well, apparently I did not complete it the way it was supposed to be completed. There we go. So it's gonna take all of these sizes and make 4 colors. So 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Now it's good. I don't know the pricing on youth shirts at the moment. It's supposed to be $23.99. And what are the youth prices? I have a chart here. I think they're worth more, so I think we gotta go. I don't know for right now. We'll go 20, 25, whatever. But that's what it was supposed to be. I messed up. Sorry, guys. So now we come back here, and it should be more than 20. It should probably be like 34, something like that. And if you always make changes in Etsy, you gotta refresh the data so it gets updated in Printful. 32. There we go. I was close. It's actually a good thing that I did mess up, so you guys can see exactly what you're supposed to do and what happens when you mess up. So right, so now it shows you adult small, right? Adult medium compared to youth large. Where's a youth small? See, before I didn't know which ones were supposed to be youth. I think we'll start with youth first. You have to go in and you have to choose all of the designs. As you can see, it's kind of a youthful person here. We clicked on, what did we click on? If you ever get confused at what you're supposed to do here, right here it shows you youth small white. So you click small, we'll click white, and we upload the design wherever it may be. Boom. No, actually, this is also a good thing. We're not putting this on white because you can't see the dang thing. So let's say you have a particular design that doesn't look great on white. You select it, go through them all. This is why we want small ones. Anything that says white, both adult and child, I guess. You click on them all. Boom. And then you go, where's the button at? It's supposed to be somewhere. Ignore. And it'll tell you all the shirts it's gonna ignore. Ignore all 8 of those. There, boom. So now we don't have to worry about those. We can refresh. We can upload the design another way by clicking on it this time. It should be on here. Apply, there it is. Praise be. Alright, let's make it a little bit smaller. Just a tad too big for me. Product, small, navy, boom. Okay, there we go. We got it. We got it, guys. Oh my god. So select continue. So now it's gonna put it in there, and what makes this nice is now that you have that there, you can go choose. It's gonna keep the design that you had. It's gonna keep everything where you had it. So it's still small, navy, right? Still got the product there. I mentioned, but now we're on gray, so we're gonna go to gray, wherever gray is, dark heather gray. Boom, hit continue. Small, gray, small, black. Come here and we hit black. I'm not gonna go through this with everything because now we're moving from the child to the adult. Everything should reset. So you just want to go back to men's clothing, or it's a unisex shirt, so it's not that big a deal. And so now we're on adult XL navy. So adult XL navy, boom. Make it a little bigger on the adult. And there you go. Small navy. You can do it this way if you wish, to where you just go to the sizes and keep it on the shirt. You can do that, right? There's a couple ways, whatever way works best for you. Medium, large, and then 2XL navy. And then we go and then we go black. And I'm gonna repeat this whole process. Like I said, I'm not gonna let you guys sit here, but that was just a way to transition over. If you needed a different product, you select that product and they all go over. Okay, so 2X black. I'll come back once this is finished. Alrighty, so we're back. As you can see, all of them have like a little mock-up there, getting those last two to come through. All right, then we go back to the stores. It should automatically be updated. You'll see that they'll say 24 synced. What is this? As of July, some variants of the truck will cost differently. Yes, I know about that. But 8 ignored, 24 synced, you're good to go. And what you want to do now to really check is view on Etsy. So here's our design. Woo! This is what it looks like. Woo! Right? In stock, 23 plus. Now, this is what the customer would see, right? This is what it would look like. So they come to, see our name, awesome. Like what design? So they say, oh man, I love this shirt. I want it for an adult large, boom. Or maybe I want it for my kid, boom. Right there, so they can choose. So the shirt is pretty much active in that sense. I have not finished it in terms of putting mock-ups and stuff, because this has been a process, my friends. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna work on getting everything for the next video set up, because this was a pain. Hopefully you got some value out of this. So for the next video, we're gonna put in the tags, we're gonna put in the titles, and I will have all of the mock-ups that I want to use ready to go, probably uploaded, and then we can continue from there, which will mainly focus just on tags and titles. Okay, this has been a long one, a frustrating one, but in a sense I'm glad that we all got to work through this, so you can see if you have some of the problems that I have, some of the errors that I made, you know now how to correct them. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next one. It's probably gonna drop tomorrow, so see you then.
I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my